Okay, this is how to use the Timesheets app on the mobile phone, if you've got an iPhone, that is. So let's select FileMaker. If I go back one screen, this is the initial screen that you'll see when you go in, and then if I touch on timesheets, it goes in here. So I've got my timesheet number, the week commencing, how many hours, and whether it's submitted or not in the green arrow. So I've got one that's got no hours on it, which is timesheet 78. I'm going to select that one. Okay, so I've got a blank week ahead. Got the week commencing there. So if I select Monday, I've got blank entries here. So I've got activity. I can select activity. Let's do stock take. Say 7 hours stock take. If we select done, that's the best thing to hit done. If you hit the return arrow, then it jumps to the next field. So we do done. You could put in any overtime if you wanted. So let's put in an hour's overtime as well. And you can also put in any notes if you wanted to. You could delete that entry as well. So let's go back. That's all gone in now. So that's 8 hours there. Let's go to Tuesday. Let's select something else. Let's say a bit of admin, 5 hours. Let's say we wanted to do another entry within Tuesday. We just hit the plus arrow, and then we go down and we can select something else. So we can say meeting, and we say that went on for an hour. And you can carry on like that, adding more and more entries to that day. So that's good. Let's go back and let's edit another one for Wednesday. Let's say we're going to do an installation. Here we are. So what we could do is, what we do need to do is select a project. So let's select the project. We want to link this to the project so that Mark can allocate expenses against that account. So let's go for Judy, and if you hit the magnifying glass, that's the best way to do this. If you hit return again, it doesn't do the search, so let's do that there. Okay, let's go for the Pigot Hall, and let's say that took us 8 hours there, and we did an hour overtime. Okay, any notes if you wanted to, again, you can put in there. Wednesday, let's say Thursday, let's say we did a call out this time. So call out, let's say now then we can do select, and it's going to go into the call outs and look at all the call outs that we've got. So here we have all the call outs, and I'm going to select Natalia Moore, and that brings in all their details. You can put in notes again. So let's say that was 5 hours doing that. And then when you came back in the office, you wanted to do a bit of, let's say, what should we do? Workshop. We're in the workshop for 2 hours. Okay, so that's cool. So we go back, and it is totting up the hours for the week as well at the top there. So let's do one more day, Friday. Let's say holiday. So 7 hours. And then we've got all of our timesheet filled up. Now what we want to do is hit submit. So when we hit submit, we just do that, and it comes back and puts a green tick on it, which means that we can't then amend anything. Okay, so it's all fixed and all set, and that's all there is to it. Each week you'll see the next week appear on here, ready for you to start entering. And there you have it. That any problems, please get in touch. Thank you.